In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that will make you a pro drummer. And it doesn't matter the level that you have reached, you will eventually be able to do things like this. Or this. Or this. Okay, maybe not the last one, but you'll be able to do some things freely and fluidly on the drums. Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So let's do something different. Let's put 3 minutes on the clock. 3 tips in 3 minutes. That should be fun. Speaking of fun, look for fun things to play on the drums, to practice on the drums. Play along with your favorite songs. You actually learn the most when you're having fun and it doesn't feel like learning. So, you're playing along with your favorite music, right? Then, you notice a section that you're playing that doesn't quite fit. So, you take a pause and go practice it for 10 minutes. Then when you're good at that, you bring it back and play it along with the music again. And now, it fits, makes a lot of sense, and you sound like fire. But it doesn't feel like you're learning because you're literally just enjoying what you're doing. And that's how it's supposed to be. But what if you want to play the drums without music? What do you do then?
It's a good question.
Before I talk about that, listen to this. Then listen to this. Do you notice something different? Okay, let me put it this way. Put the 2 clips side by side and see if you can notice something different. Right, the metronome. So always practice with the metronome because it is literally what is going to build your internal time such that you reach a point that you don't actually need the metronome, but you still stay on time. But Jaystiqs, the metronome is boring. Well, first of all, I do not appreciate the accent. Secondly, the metronome is actually quite interesting because you can play it in different ways. You can play different time signatures like 4/4. 6/8. 5/4. 7/8. 8. And a whole lot of other things that you can do. And you can play different subdivisions. Or something like this. And there are a whole bunch of other things you can do that keep it interesting, but still build the internal time that you're trying to work on. You can also experiment with playing on the other side of the beat, like this. But what if you do all that, right? But there's another drummer that is still better than you. First of all, come here. Do not compare yourself to somebody else. The only person you should be comparing yourself to is yourself. Imagine you're in a car, right? And there's another car also beside you. You're both going in a straight line. And you decide to forget about the driving you're driving and focus on the other car, how they're driving. Why is he speeding so much? Why is he trying to overtake me, mess up my driving? And you just keep focusing on them and you're not focusing on your driving. What do you think would happen? Because you're not focusing on your driving. They are focusing on their driving. So you should focus on your driving. Think of it this way. 6 months ago, you probably couldn't play what you can play today. So you should be grateful that you learned that stuff and built on it to this extent. And that should push you to learn more things that would make you more grateful, that would make you learn more things. So the only person you should be competing with is yourself, and that will push you to become better. I'm not saying you can't look at other people. Yes, you can. You can draw inspiration from them, not compare yourself to them. If you work on these things, you would become a great drummer this year.
Yeah, so you know how we talked about doing it in 3 minutes, right? Yeah, no, that didn't work out. This is the actual time we spent. So
if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified each and every time there's a new video. And if you'd like some new tracks to play and practice along with, check out my website, Jaystiqs.com. It's amazing. You would have a whole bunch of tracks that if you don't want to play with a metronome, that's fine. That's fine. Go to Jaystiqs.com. Get yourself some tracks just for a few dollars. Your drumming would certainly improve. Also, check out my app, the Drum Chops Builder app. It's amazing. It helps you to save your drum ideas on your phone, wherever you are. So when you get back home, you can practice it on your drum. Check it out. There's a download link in the description. Having said all that, what if I told you that there's something you can implement into your drumming right now that you don't have to learn anything new, but it will instantly make you sound more interesting on the drums? Click here to find out how to use space in your drumming to sound interesting